What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2013 Chevy Malibu, and the flip out blade on the remote is broken off, and we're going to be replacing the remote and exchanging the blade over to the new remote and programming. Let's get to it. In order to add the new remote, we must crank up the car with the old remote and then crank it up with the new remote up to it so it can read the chip in the remote, being that it's not connected. Then we're going to do the same process with the new remote, adding it to the car. Now that we've cranked it up with the old remote, now we're going to go through the same process with the new remote. And now we have successfully added the new remote to the car. Now our new remote unlocks the doors, and cranks the car. Now we're going to be knocking out the pin to our blank blade and putting our cut blade on and inserting the pin back in. Now that we've got the pin out, we've removed our uncut blade, and we can install the blade that's already cut to the remote. Now with our new remote, we can crank her right up. And now she's all done.